Hello and good morning, good afternoon, or good night wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick little trial, I guess, and like a trial and first impression. That's the word for it. A trial and first impression of ta-da! The Holipop watercolor cheek tint from Holika Holika. And this I've been wanting to try. And today it was the first time that I had to specifically do my makeup for this tint because it's pink and I've been wearing a lot of orange eyeshadow lately and I feel like pink and orange would just be too much. So I did brown today. So hopefully, like, I don't know, brown and pink I think is a cute mix. So hopefully it'll look nice together. Oh, if I can get it open. Let's just try twisting it. Oh, okay, that worked. Alright. So let's take a look at this thing. Ta-da-da-da. It's like a nail polish bottle. Do you see the applicator? Guys, I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, if it's too pigmented, it's gonna look so bad on me. Alright, let's just give it a go. Got my handy dandy mirror. Ooh, okay. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do is on this side, I'm going to apply it with the applicator, like dot it on kind of, and then blend it with my finger. And on this side, I'm gonna put it on my finger and then apply it. Oh my gosh, let's start small, okay? Not too much. Well, it seems to blend nicely. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but in real life, this blended fairly nice. The only thing that I have to say is this color is kind of the color that my cheeks are that I tried to cover. So I just don't know how it's gonna look, but it might also just be because I'm like patting it right now. Or maybe I shouldn't have done it in the spot that I normally do it in, because this is where I normally put my blush, but because it's kind of the same color as how my face looks when I do have redness, it just kind of looks like my face is a little red. But now I'm going to do the other side. This is going to be a little more difficult. Let's put the mirror down for a sec. Oh, but first, so you can see, I don't know if you can see in the camera. This is the side with the blush. This is the side without the blush. With that. I can definitely see in real life. You can definitely tell in real life. I just don't know if it's picking it up on the camera. I guess I'll see in post-production. So this time I'm gonna take some of this. I'm gonna put it on my finger instead. Oh gosh, I think it's too much. Take it back. Take some back. Okay, since I feel like I got way too much on there, I don't know if you can see it, I'm gonna blend some out on my wrist. So, boop. Blend. Yeah, you can definitely see it on my wrist. See that little like block there? Okay, now put it on my face. This is scarier. This is honestly scarier. Oh no. Oh no, too much. Too much. Well, now you can definitely see it, that's for sure. Add some to the other side. Okay, I'm gonna need to put some powder on here to tone this down, because like I said, this is too much. It looks like I got sunburn on this side. Oh. Okay, lesson learned. But it definitely is a good color to go with brown. I will say that. And on the camera, where I'm at right now, it doesn't look so bad. But in real life it does. It's like so bright. So, alright, first impression. The only thing that I can't talk about is how long it stays throughout the day, because I would need to do one of those like vlog style videos. And if you guys do want to know how long it stays throughout the day, let me know, and I will be sure to tell you that. But I'm going to review this based on everything except for that, because I don't know. So, first, the texture. The texture is very nice. I actually thought it was going to dry super fast. And I thought it was gonna be kind of messy. Like when I put a couple dots on here, I thought they were gonna stay as dots. and then when I tried to blend them out, I would still just have like 3 faint little dots here. But that didn't happen. It blends super nicely, and it is called watercolor, and it is kind of like watercolors. I feel like it gives that faint kind of like watery color. It gives that like watered down version of a color. It's not like the color that you see on your finger is like, or the color that you see on your face is exactly what's here, but it is still kind of pigmented. It's more pigmented than real watercolors, but less pigmented than like a normal blush would be. So I feel like it's really nice applying. It doesn't feel dry at all. It's not like a liquid to powder kind of thing. It's just straight up liquid. And I did put it on over powder because I had to powder my face because I did like contouring and stuff like that before this. So putting it on before powder, it didn't like cake up any of the powder or anything. And the smell, let's see if there's a smell. There's like a faint smell, like a faint florally smell. But it's nothing really serious. It's nothing extreme. And the color is very nice. It does have like a buildable color, so if you want to have like a really strong cheek like this one, then you can definitely do that if that's your makeup style. For me, it's a little too much. But in the camera, like if you're gonna be on camera, maybe it's not too much. From where I'm looking right now, it doesn't look like it's crazy. But in real life, it looks a little crazy. Is there anything else I need to cover? I don't think so. I really like the color. I really like the texture. I really like the application. And I like that it doesn't clump up over the powder. I feel like this will be really great for the winter when like putting tons and tons of powder on your face just kind of dries out your skin. And this, I think, would be a good way to skip some of the powder that you're normally used to using because you can use like a watercolor blush. So overall, I would give this 4.5 hearts. And I'm giving it that, again, based on only my first impression. It's not based on like the longevity of wear or anything like that. It's just based on, I like the color, it doesn't clump up on my face, it blends super nicely. The only thing I would say is just be careful with it. Because and I would say you do it with the applicator, like just dot it on kind of, because when I put it on my finger and I smeared like that, it was too much. So use the applicator. It is your friend for this product. The applicator is your friend. So yeah, that is basically it. This is in the shade CR03 Peachy Milk. And if you guys have any questions about this product, please be sure to let me know. I will definitely answer them in the comments down below. I'll also try to put a link to it in the description box. And I think that's basically it for today's video. But give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Click subscribe down below if you want to see more videos, because I've been really good at sticking to the schedule of uploading every Friday. So I might even put that in a new banner for my channel. Uploads every Friday. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you all back here next time. Bye!